Speaking of double, you said with his coal train. You know, train's going down. Now, you know who's a helper set on this train, you said?
There's a helper set, but I don't know who.
Yeah, it could be B8705 or B8709. I don't know.
Uh-oh.
Oh, this is the second time that happened. W71, this happened, this is blah, 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 blah.
False partial activation.
This happened when W71 came through. Same thing.
Yeah, that was a false partial.
Yeah, the other day, the gauge went down for hours, like more than 2 hours. Last week. Yep, there he is. Oh, Texas. License plate says Texas.
Looks like 2 heads. It looks like just 2 heads today.
Yeah, it's had no more.
Most coal trains usually have.
Yeah. Yeah, that's surprised I won. Come on, where's my guinea tank? Yeah, it's after 12:30 already, so they haven't come through yet. Like, what? I'm surprised about that. Time is now 12:46.
CSX
What the?
Equipment Defect Detector Milepost 2.6. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 3, 4, 8, 10. Purple line 4. 133133. Okay, Joe.
PC is talking about Amtrak.
Amtrak?
Yeah.
Huh.
I don't know where Amtrak is. I don't know how close he is. Or how late he is. $348 axles.
348.
Yeah.
Effective 1248. 48 ASA, Joe. Georgetown Junction, Norway 5.
Georgetown Junction.
Georgetown Junction is that way.
Yeah, I know.
Stand by.
I thought you'd be over 500 axles. Nope.
I thought this train had helpers, but I don't know.
I don't know either. You want to find out?
Yeah. That was BB. That was the BB inspection. There's the end.
Yeah, no help.
Yeah, no helpers.
Yeah. burning faster now.
I was hoping Jeff Sessa would be on this train,
Yeah.
but he's working local.
Ah.
90923 off 40 mile east of Georgetown Junction on 2 track 1250 1250 AFA show.
Coal train, you look good.
D765, over.